In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a downstream O2 sensor in a Jeep Cherokee, which is located in your engine compartment. After locating your O2 sensor, which is the one furthest from the engine, that's your downstream, you can take the upstream O2 sensor wire off just to get it out of the way. This is just something that I do, but you don't have to do this in the process. You want to just unclip your lower one, unclip the top one, just kind of pull that out of the way. Now you have easy access to that downstream O2 sensor. You can take an O2 sensor socket like this, on there, get your bar out and see if you can loosen it up. Let's see if it will come out by hand. Oh. Throw your tool back on, just loosen it with your tool, and take it out by hand. And there you have it. Now you're ready to install your downstream O2 sensor. Take your tool. You just want to snug this. You don't want to tighten it too tight. Move your tool, find your plug, just plug it back in. Wait for that click. Take your plug for your top O2, plug that back in, just put it back, wire back in the holder, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.